Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum guys, my name is Muhammad Aryan Ali and today we will learn about CSS fonts. CSS fonts are too much important to make our website attractive. Just like this I will show you. Like only there is one letter. You can see only here one letter, but their style is different. Like it's sans serif, it's serif, and it is serif, red serifs. These are F, but different styles. This is called fonts. So I will teach you today fonts property. So how to add font? To add font, first we have to write font family, and then the font family we have to write the font name. Just like this, I will show you with the example. I've already created a folder. I will open it with code. I will create a new file, style.css. Just which it's hand wait just. I will reopen it, then it will work. I think so. Course 11. Open with code. I will create CSS file now. Style.css. Okay. Now this HTML file and CSS got. Now with HTML I will write full syntax like this. As you can see, just like this, I will write full syntax. Here I will write any text I want. Like I will write h1 website. This I have written here, website. So now I will link these both files. Here I will write link link and style.css. Just like this you can see. Okay. Now I will target here h1 and I will write here font family. Remember, just write like this, as you can see here, like this. Inside this we will write our font name, like sans serif. I will write. Now I will go live here. Now I'm using here go. As you can see, it's website here. If I will comment it like this, I will here comment. So as you can see, now the font of this text is changed. If I will uncomment it, so as you can see that it is changed. This is the work of fonts. So our property is font web save is not important, font access is not important. So we will learn font style. Font style. Like you want italic, you want normal, you want oblique. For this purpose we use. Like here I will write font style. Just like this, and I will write here italic. So as you can see, the text is some like bend, got some like side. This is function of italic. And if I will write here normal, which is default, like this. And if I will write here oblique, so it's little bit, not little like italic, not too much. If I will now write here italic, you get more treated. This is a function of this font style. Okay, now our property is font size. This font size I have used too much to change the size of the text. Like it's not this much large h1. I will change it like font size. Font size, there are too many like properties: larger, large, medium, small, x large, x small, xx large, xx small. But you will write in pixel values. You can write from here too, but we should write in pixels, like 50 pixels. Look, as you can see, now it is increased. So our other property is font Google, font meaning font shorthand. Font shorthand meaning you can write all properties in once. Like this, first you have to write the style, Then you have to write the font name. Then you can write it to be bold, italic like this, and then you have to give it's like how much large it should be. This 30, 12 pixel, and this is the font name. And here you can write like it should be how much bold and like property style you can write here. So our other topic is CSS icons. Like this icons, like there I show you this Facebook, Instagram, this LinkedIn, and this Discord. These icons how to add, I will show you. So first what you have to do, go to your HTML and right here you want to add, like if I want to add icon, so I will write here A in A. We can write, but A would be like link type, so we don't have to use A, we have to use I. Icon show like first letter is I, so we will use I, just like this. So I will cut it and we will write here I, and in I we have to give class and like this. Okay. In the class we have to write the property I will show you now. So there are two websites from where you can take. One is Font Awesome. Font Awesome, like Font Awesome like this. We will write Font Awesome, from here we can take. It's a good website, that's why I will not tell you the other website. You can just take from here. So from here you will search, and from here you can like take any, like I will search like Facebook. So look here, all icons of Facebook are here. You use just free one. These are of money. So like this is a Facebook icon. I will click it. You have to click it, and here it is the like Unicode is here, but we don't need now. We will use it further. Now we don't need. So here this is all, and this is the like name of that FA brands, FA Facebook. I will copy it and I will cut this I, because automatically there I was written. Okay, now this is got our icon is, but it will not show our website because we didn't have linked this like website to our code. That's why it's not getting shown. So I will save it. I will open with a new server. Okay, because here some error was coming. That's why. Okay, now here as you can see, now our icons are not showing. So what we have to do, we need CDN of that website. Like I have used Font Awesome, so I will write Font Awesome CDN. I will press enter, and look, first link is here. Click it. This is a website CDN JS. So you can come like this. So you have to write just a Font Awesome, like Font Awesome. This is CDN JS. So here you can like this website is came. So now we are came to this website, and here we have to copy the first one link. Here you can see it's a first link. We have to copy it. Here is the copy URL. Copy it and come here and write link and paste it just like this. Like you write link to attach this one file as, thus you have to write this link to attach that website. So now our icon should be there. Look, as you can see our Facebook icon is came. So we can add like this more. Just one time if you have written this thing like a link, so you can add how many icons you want from that website. You can add just one time. You have to link that website with our code. Just this one time you have to write, and you can add unlimited icons there. Like here is Facebook. If I will cut it and I will write here Instagram, and here I will write YouTube. You can change like this to YouTube. So as you can see there, like this is Facebook, it's Instagram, it's YouTube, and I will change the front to, like here I will change Twitter. So wait, Twitter, like this. Yeah, as you can see now, look, tutor spelling like tutor icon is to came here. So like just like this we can add here. I will write, if I will write here Discord. So as you can see the icon is changed. Now how to change the size? Just like this, you change the size of text. I will target here I, and I can like do here font size 20 pixels. So it's look increasing. And remember that you have to give the icon name inside the class, just like this. Don't write inside the I like here. Don't write the name like this link. Just write it this class, because then your icon will not show. Okay, now here like font size is got, like as you can change the color to color red. So as you can see color is red. So this you can, like this you can add. Our other topic is CSS links. Just now I showed you that how to link, but these buttons you can see, like I am putting, so it's getting changed. I am putting, it's getting changed. I am putting, it's getting changed. So they have put like this of hover, meaning like they have given some properties. I will show you. On this icons I will give you example. Look, I am taking my mouse or I am hovering on them, but nothing is happening. But how to change the color I will show you. Just say target I and write like this 2 dots one semicolon. I can like this, just like this one, 2 dots one like this. Write hover, and then write starting closing bracket. Meaning when you will hover on this I, so the color will or anything you will write properties. All properties you can write here. Like I will write color blue. So now look, color is not changed, but when I will take my mouse on it, look, color is changing. I am not clicking, I am just hovering my mouse on it, and look, color is changing. Like this you can do. So one other property is, it was hover, and other is visited. Visited meaning like you can say when like it's visited, like it's a link. I will click it, and when I will go to the page, when I will do back, so it should be change the color. Like I will create a new HTML file here, picture this. Okay, this I created first. I will change the name. Okay, now here I will write syntax, and I will write here another H1, and I will write in H1 hello, just like this. And now here like I will add an anchor tag in HTML. I will write index2.html and I will write here click. Okay, so as you can see, here is another like button escape, and when I will click it, so I have reached this one file. When I will do back, so color of these are changed, like same. Look, now I am clicking this link. I will click, I will come back. The color of this link is same. But I will increase the font size, then you can look it properly. Like a font size 30 pixels. Look now, I am hovering, nothing is happening. And when I will click on it, I will come back, it's same. So how to do it I will show you. You have to write target, that thing, like you can say anchor tag I target. So now here in just same like this column I have to write, and I have to write here visited, meaning like we have first visited. And now I will write here color black. So look, it's like changed because I have visited already. I will refresh it. It's not getting changed because look, I have visited. So I will open it again with the live server, because first I have visited. That's why its color is changed. So page, I think so it's not working for any purpose because we have visited it. That's it's not working. So we can try with any other like it as you can use. It's a function of visited. Other is active, meaning now like I am hovering on it, but I don't have clicked. But when I will click, so color should change. This is the function of active. Like I will target I will write here active, and I will write it like color yellow. Sometimes these properties don't work from some issues, that's it. Don't be worried. Look now. Now I am hovering, so color is changing blue. But when I will click, so color is changing yellow. Look. Look now, I am hovering just, and I will click, so color is changing. We can do this with all, like, look, as you can see, website, it's a text, not any link. But then too, it can change its color with hover, like, and an H1 hover, like H1 hover, and color red. Okay, now I'm clicking, I'm like hovering here because H1 is a block level element, meaning it take the width whole 100%, meaning till here from this side to this side takes, that's why I'm hovering here, so it's changing. Look, when I will hover on the text, look, color is changing. On the text, it's not any link, big, that dude is like changing the color. So just like this, I could write H1, like H1 here, active, and blue. Active is, and now here I will write color blue. So look, I'm hovering at 30 grade. When I will click, so it's getting blue. This is the function like. Now I'm hovering on it. Look, I'm hovering, I'm not pressing the button. And when I will press, look, color is changing. Three colors only on one text. This is the function of links, like this you can say. A link is like normal, it's default setting, so that's why it's not used. So thank you guys in this video only. This much we will meet in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.